Hey guys, in this video we are going over how to fix your low back strain and why you shouldn't stretch it, but maybe try the movement that we're gonna go over instead today, okay? So if you guys have been stretching it and you notice that it's not making any difference or maybe even making it worse, then check out the rest of this video, try the exercise that we're gonna go over, and let us know in the comments below if it worked for you, because we would love to hear it. My name is Dawne. I work at Performance Place Sports Care. I am just one part of the locally world famous chiropractors here in Orange County, California. If you guys like this video, if it works for you, please click on our channel. There's a P around the video somewhere that you can click on. That'll take you to our YouTube channel where you can like and subscribe so you get notifications on the video series that we have been coming out with on how to fix low back pain. This is just one to a whole part, okay? So take advantage of that. So stretching, why that might be bad for you. If you guys have some sort of underlying issue going on in your low back, although you may feel like a tightness in the muscles or a spasm in the low back and you told you strained it and you need to stretch it, but stretching is not working, you could be causing more damage than good, okay? There are discs, there are nerves, there are tons of other things going on in the low back. Stretching could be good for some people, but not everybody. So a lot of times what I see when people want to stretch their low back, okay, is they get down on the floor and they do this sort of thing. Like that. It really opens up that backside and they're stretching, stretching, stretching. But this also is a lot of rotational force on your spine here, okay? So if you're doing that and it hasn't been working, I want you to try something different instead, okay? We're gonna get down on the floor. And this is a safer way to lengthen your low back muscles as well as keeping the other structures like the joints and the discs and the nerves nice and safe in this position, okay? So instead we're gonna go tabletop here like this, all right? We're going to sit our hips back or our butt back to our heels like so. If this causes some sort of pinchy pain in the hips here, that's okay. I want you to just play with the width of your knees. You can go wider if you need to. And you're going to sit back here, come down onto your forearms, place your forehead into your hands, then you're gonna hold and breathe, okay? It shouldn't feel like a stretching sensation. It should really feel like nothing, like a position of comfort that you can hold and be out of pain for a little bit. When you're in this position, I want you to focus on, as you breathe in, breathe into your belly. Expand the belly, expand the outer part of the belly into your front pockets of your pants here, okay? So I'm gonna show you a few breaths of what that should look like and sound like. Just like that, okay? Simple, easy, something you can do from home, something that might be safer for your low back while you're giving it time and a chance for it to heal, okay? If you have pain in that position, that might not be the position for you. Again, we have tons of other videos and things that you guys can try for your low back pain, so check out our channel, okay? If this worked for you guys, I don't know if I mentioned, but I want you to hold that for about 30 seconds to a minute. So give it a chance first. Pause the video if you need to, get down on the floor, get down on your bed, get into that position and see what it does for you, and give it a little bit of time focusing on your breath. If it worked for you, leave a comment below. We want to hear. Also, where do you go from here? Does that mean that you have to do that movement for the rest of your life to stay out of low back pain? Not necessarily. So people always reach out and want to know what the next step is. The next step is the free gift that we have for you guys. It might pop up on the video somewhere. You can click on the link, or it's going to be in the description below, but it says free gift. Take advantage of it. Click on it. Check it out. It's the next step in where to go from here to help with your low back pain, you guys, okay? Again, like and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of stuff that can help you. If you guys have questions, if you want us to help guide you, we're located in Orange County, California. You can come see us in office. We're doing virtual visits as well. Just reach out to us, call us, email us. We'd love to chat with you, and we'll talk to you soon.